Hi everyone, in today's video we'll be discussing the third and final R in relation to managing burnout, which is resilience. If you haven't already, do check out our previous videos in this series too. Building up resilience to stress means understanding that stress is something normal that we all face, while also finding ways to manage it and to better look after ourselves. This can help you to prevent burnout and to bounce back when you're experiencing high levels of stress. Key ways to look after yourself include eating well, having good sleeping habits, and being active regularly. These things seem obvious, but they are key to maintaining our emotional and physical health. Think about these three things as being the foundation for building resilience. In fact, they really are foundation for our whole well-being, so well worth investing some time and care into. It can also help to put a pause in your day every day. A pause where you are stopping everything else you're doing and taking time just to be in the present moment. Like a small check-in or reset to help note and reduce any building stress. Meditation is one way of putting in a dedicated pause each day. However, it might not work for everyone. And so you can instead find a different way of putting a pause in, like having a cup of tea, but focusing on all the senses that you're experiencing, or writing down a reflection on how your day is going, or even listening to some relaxing music without any distractions. Why not try it once you've finished this video? Try taking a pause just for a few moments. Take a deep breath in and out, noting how you feel without analysis or judgment, feeling the weight of your body and connecting with your senses. Whichever way you decide to do it, try to put in a pause every day, remembering to take steps to eat well, form good sleeping habits, and be active too. Have a go and see if it feels helpful for you. If you want to find out more about burnout, why not check out our podcast episode on burnout, or sign up for one of our managing stress workshops. Link for both are in the description below. See you soon.